Hey guys, welcome back to our new video of Premiere Pro series, and in this video we will learn how we can export our video to share your video wherever you want. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Alright, here you can see that I've added some video clips, transitions, text, and finally I want to export it. For example, if you are going to export a small part of your video, you can drag your playhead and you can press the I key to set the start point and O key for the end point, just like we did in the source window. And remember that only the selected part will be rendered. If you want, then you can drag this to extend. Now if you are going to export everything presented in the timeline, then you can head over to File and click on Export, or you can press Ctrl+M to export your video. After that, here we have lots of options that we can change. Now here is a match sequence setting. If you check this box, you do not need to make any other changes, but I suggest you to uncheck this box, which allows us to make changes manually. Now here in the format, I suggest you to select H.264, which is the best format, and if you want, you can choose AVI or other formats according to your needs. Moving on, we have presets. I suggest you to select Match Source High Bitrate. By choosing this, it will match with your camera's clip to give the best quality output. But if you want any other presets, then you can select any of these presets. Now here you can see output name. By clicking on it, you can give the location and the name of your video, and always check this both export video and export audio boxes. Now scroll down and here we have render at maximum depth. I suggest you to check this box because it will help to increase the quality of your video. Now in the encoding settings, choose hardware accelerated. Now remember one thing, that your CPU will responsible for faster render or slower render. In the bitrate settings, I suggest you to select variable bitrate and you can leave this target bitrate at 10. And here I urge you to check this use maximum render quality. After applying all these settings, you can click on this export button to export your video. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have understood how we can export our video on Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. So my name is Ari and this is Tricky For You, and I'll catch you in the next one.